to me is how incubators look in ideas. And these ideas are basically venture ideas, venture growing, venture development ideas. That is your business venture. So this is a part of a boot camp, and the topic of the boot camp, as you all must be knowing, that it is ideation for product design and entrepreneurship. That means we are talking about some product which minimum you will have to design or you will have to manufacture, maybe service oriented products, because in entrepreneurship, services also we refer as a service oriented product. And entrepreneurship, definitely we all are talking about these entrepreneurship. This term is very common these days. So I welcome you all the students, and if meanwhile also you have any question, then do means I generally allow you to ask, because you should not keep any burning question in your mind. So when we actually talk about how incubators look in idea, then some basic concepts should be there in your mind. Before we talk about what we look as an incubation center at IGDTUW, that how you should plan your business idea, how you should present your business idea, or how you should explain about your business idea, so that what actually we are looking in budding entrepreneurs, that may be fulfilled by your end. So that particular simple concept and knowledge is very important to understand, which we will try to understand in these particular 45 minutes of time. So this is a general flow. When we talk about the entrepreneurship, there are five very common terms which are associated with it. But when we start it, basically these five terms are very important to understand, and not only to understand, but you should be able to differentiate what are the difference among all these terms, so that you can keep yourself checked by all these 5 points, that where at which stage you are. So first stage is a person. You all are a person. You all are the students of a very good STEAM university. And some of you might be thinking of starting your own venture, and you are not planning to go for a particular job, or maybe to become employee of any particular company. It might happen. But some of you definitely they want to go for good employment. They are excited by a good corporate and very handsome salary package. That is always there. But here also, when you start your own business, initially you may find some problem. But trust me, later on, if it succeed, and definitely it will succeed, you will get very good and charmful life. So as a person, if you keep yourself as an aspirant and budding entrepreneur, and prepare yourself that actually you want to start yourself, you want to start your, or you want to embark your journey of entrepreneurship, then one day definitely, if you say that I want to become a potential entrepreneur, and who is a potential entrepreneur in entrepreneurship? In the last session, we have seen PK Mishra ji has taken very good session when we talk about the motivation, the collection of the stories and the pictures. That was great. So we all know about the entrepreneurship, but here we are not talking much about entrepreneur or entrepreneurship, because the topic of the session is different. But when we say entrepreneur, definitely entrepreneur is a person. When we say that one who is ready to innovate, that's point number one. Point number two is who is able to concern about the profit. That is point number two. And point number three, that all work is totally dedicated towards the society, especially in the era of knowledge management, that is after 2020. So if this is the definition of latest definition of entrepreneurship in today's time, then definitely entrepreneur should have at least one business idea. If you are having a business idea, then definitely what I will say, that you are an entrepreneur. You have started. This is the starting point of your career. Now, when you at this point and you want to become an entrepreneur with all those qualities of innovation, profit, concern, and society, whatever is involved there in between, that is known as what a development, and that development is entrepreneurial development. Therefore, such kind of boot camps or workshop, whatever you are attending, before you become a potential entrepreneur, everything comes under entrepreneurial development. So this is also a part of entrepreneurial development. Now let's say that you become an entrepreneur. You are having a good business idea. You have discussed it with your mentor. Now what? Now through your qualities and characteristics, there is a little difference between qualities and characteristics, and both are important for entrepreneurship. Both are pivotal. So in this particular entrepreneurship, when you talk about entrepreneurship is an art basically, just like leader and leadership. You are an entrepreneur. That is point number one. Now point number two is this: that through your entrepreneurship, you have to launch your business, and that launching pad is your enterprise. That is your company, maybe your firm later on. Generally, you can say as a startup. Although startup registration, we do it after forming a company with some with some eligibility criteria. So this is a general flow which you should be clear to you, that right now where are you? You are just like a person, you have not thought about any business plan, or you are just learning, you want to become, that is you are in the part of point number 3, or you have become potential entrepreneur, or you are just gathering your or collecting your good qualities and characteristics, so that you can learn, you can run your enterprise smoothly, or you have already opened your startup. So this is point number 1.